Got him. Ooh, that's him. That's him. That's him. That's him. That's him.
You gotta stay on him.
That's the one. That's the one I've been chasing right there. All right, guys, we're on Lake Allatoona. About to get to go after some of these spots and see if we can get on them again. We had a couple good days this week and got on them really good with a jig head minnow, just finding schooling bait, and then the fish were just within the bait. So you already know what they say: find the bait, find the fish. We caught most of them with my guys' pintail minnow from Rutherford's Tackle, and we're gonna look to do that again today. So stay tuned. This should be a fun one. All right, guys. GoPro was acting stupid. Look at this group. They are like chasing this all the way down and like not even touching it. Following it all the way up. That just don't make any sense how hard they chased it. I'll keep a jerk bait out here instead of this spoon. But they're gonna run shallow like that. Keep this one out here. Ready to go. Fish on it too. See, when they're running on the top of the surface, it'd be better off throwing like a jerk bait or something, I don't know. And of course I throw it right over it. Is what I call them. That's why BFS fishing is better. Even a big fish, sometimes they're just eating on small bait, and it just takes that to get them to eat something small. Watch, they should eat this now. Oh, I had one too. He came up and swiped at it and missed it. Look, there he is. They're not big, that's why. I see a bait ball out here. See if we can get them to eat the jig head. Oh crap. Got him. Oh, jumped in the boat. Get in here. Look at that. There we go. Good size. I never could understand why they go back there. Because all they do is turn right back around. Oh, I went right over your line. I don't know how Mikey does it. Oh, there he is. Come on. Oh, that drag was too loose. Yep, I sure do. Dang. Oh my gosh, that's a big one right there. Ooh, that ain't a big one. That ain't, oh, he came off, Cobus.
I don't know, I think it was bigger than you thought it was.
He might have been, because he was just, I don't think he was running.
Oh, he took slack out of that one, but.
No, he was running like towards me. I didn't even feel him eat it. I just seen him come out the bait ball and just, He probably messed this up. Nah. I gotta tighten that drag up. Put some bait pop on here. You ever use this?
That's a little ball, man.
Well, yeah, for fish. I missed like 3 in a row. I'm gonna let this just go straight through the bait ball, then pick it up. Look, one of them already tapping on it. Actually, that probably was the bait. Oh!
That's it. That's a decent, that's a big fish.
Come on, man. That's a good spot. Real good spot. Got him. This one must be small, or either he's running straight towards me. Yeah, he's a little one. Up, catch and release. Can't see it. Got him. We're running in here with them.
You see them little lines coming up?
Yeah, that's all debris.
Is it all debris?
That's all debris, and that's because of the water temp being in the 80s still. So you're getting a lot of feedback, because mine's got the same thing, but you just gotta know which. Yeah, that's all debris. That's not fish. Because mine's do it right here. You can see it on there. Got him. Ooh, 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 that's him, that's him, that's him, that's him. Oh, that's him.
You gotta stay on him.
That's the one I've been chasing right there.
Stay on him. Stay on him, homie. That's fast. That's the biggest. You got one?
Dude, he's heavy. He's like really heavy. He's not even coming up.
Why is it fighting that weird?
Dude, I don't know. He came up out of that pile and I watched him. He was one of those big ones that I've been trying to get to bite that'll turn on the bait every time.
I ain't been on your side right now. I want to see this side.
Nah, no. I've caught too many largemouth to know that this ain't no.
Oh, he's coming. I can see the leader.
Oh, it's a big striper. Woo! Oh my gosh.
You said they mixed in them.
Oh my goodness, dude. Look at that.
You gonna weigh him?
that. Ate that jig head minnow. There he is. I think we got another big striper. Ooh, that's a good one. Is that a largemouth? No, that's a striper. Yes, sir. Nah. Guys, we are on the striper bite today. And the spots. They're all running together. We're gonna get this guy back in the water because we can't keep him out that long in the summertime. Let's go. All right, guys, it's not looking so good. The storm is headed this way. We got stuck in the storm yesterday, so I'm not doing it again today. What I caught most of my fish on was this right here, pintail minnow by Rutherford's Tackle. One of my good buddies, he makes these baits, and you know, I threw it on a queen tackle jig head and just laid them out today. I didn't even expect them to eat it that good, because normally I don't get that bite that good until like the fall, but I guess we're getting into that transition where the water temperature is starting to drop down. We caught some nice striper and some good spots. This video will be uploaded probably maybe in a week or two to let the other ones, you know, kick in. If you like this video, like and subscribe, comment. Thank you for all the support. Eventually we're gonna try to get some of the subscribers out here on the water with us, but until then, keep on watching and supporting. Thank you very much.